Hello mga mi, this is Mommy RB at sumagot tayo ngayon ng mga question habang naghihintay tayo na humupa ang traffic. So before we start, gusto ko lang i-clarify that I am sharing all about family visit visa for Saudi Arabia. Dahil yan po yung alam ko at yan po yung pinrocess namin ng anak ko nung pumunta kami pa Saudi. But of course, kung merong mga questions na kaya kong sagutin based from aking research and dun sa mga nalalaman ko, sasagutin natin. And don't forget to like and follow me for more information about family visit visa for Saudi Arabia. And if you are looking for the full playlist, nandyan yan sa aking YouTube channel para mas mabilis nyong mahanap lahat ng information na kailangan nyo malaman for family visit visa. So let's start. Ano nga ba yung sasagutin natin for today? So meron kasing question dito. Ang sabi, sis, pwede po ba allowed ang friends ang magbigay ng visa sa akin galing Saudi to Philippines? Actually mga Mino, ang alam ko talaga, family visit visa lang muna ang meron sa Philippines to Saudi. I tried to check the share for personal visit pero wala talaga silang binibigay na information about the documents na necessary para makapunta ka or makapag personal visit ka sa Saudi Arabia. Which means na hindi pa siya allowed kasi I think tatlo lang yan Umrah, business, and family visit visa if I'm not mistaken. And then, ang family visit visa natin is for immediate family members lang. Pag sinabing immediate family members, asawa, anak, and magulang. For friends, ang aking na-check through my research is yung mga Saudi citizen. No, ang pwedeng mag-invite ng kanilang friends over from Philippines to Saudi, but I'm not sure kung possible. Kasi we need to also consider kasi that Saudi ay hindi pa ganun ka-open country. Not until siguro mag-2030 na mas magiging possible na yung iba't ibang klaseng visa na para makapasok tayo sa bansa nila. Pero from time to time kasi may mga nagiging changes na nangyayari sa visa processing ng Saudi Arabia. So let's just hope and pray na maging possible siya. And one more thing pala, ang isa pang pwedeng visa is of course work visa. So yun yung napapansin. So kung yung friend mo doon siguro sa Saudi ay citizen and bibigyan ka for example ng work permit or work visa, may contract, ganyan, siguro possible. So yun lang mga mi, I hope this clarifies your concern. And kung meron po ditong makakanood na mas may alam or merong alam sa update regarding nga sa mga ganitong bagay, feel free to comment on this video para at least gakaroon tayo ng information and knowledge about it. And of course, if you are looking for a hotel, activities anywhere around the globe, you can use Klook app and book it directly to Klook app and use my promo code MommyRBKlook para magkaroon ka ng up to 5% off. Kung gusto mo makahanap ng murang flights, particularly now, it's August 8 ngayon, check trip.com. Ilalagay ko dyan ang aking link. Ang aking link ay nasa aking bio. And also, kung Agoda naman yung comfortable kayong gamitin, ang link ay nasa aking bio. Yun lang mga mi, thank you for watching.